Students, we are going to review a little bit of the last lecture, that is this transpose, symmetric, skew symmetric, orthogonal, transjugate, Hermitian, skew Hermitian matrices. I took a matrix A of order 3 cross 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. There were 1 row, 2 row, 3 row and 2 columns. When I took the transpose, this complete column became a row. This complete column became this row. If I take another transpose, then this row will become a column and this row will become a column which is same as the original matrix. So 2 times transpose gives me the original matrix. Now some properties. A plus B transpose is A transpose B transpose, and if you put a minus sign, then this is a minus. Ka transpose is Ka transpose, K is some number. Now AB transpose is B transpose A transpose. This is known as the reversal law of transpose, also commonly known as the shoe socks rule. Because first you wear your socks, then you wear your shoes. When you take them out, first you take the shoe out, then you take the socks out. A transpose is A, as we just saw here. So now we are going to see symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is all the elements here are different numbers. Whatever number you write on this position, that is the A12 position, you have to write in A21 position. This is the A13 position. Whatever number you write here, the same number has to be written here at the A31 position. This is the A23 position. Whatever number you write here, the same number has to be written here. Now you take the transpose of this matrix, you are getting the same matrix. That means A13 is A31, A21 is A12, A23 is A32. Earlier I had written in the last video A33 by mistake. Please correct it. A transpose is A and Aij is equal to Aji. Ith row, jth column becomes the jth row and the ith column. Now in the skew symmetric matrix, A transpose was minus A, Aij was minus of Aji, and I told the diagonal elements are 0, which I explained in the last lecture, and this is what it is, why it is all 0 for the diagonal elements, because in the diagonal all the I and the j are same because it is A11. So this is also 1, this is also 1, this is also 2, this is also 2. Similarly for this 1 1 and 2 2. So this becomes like this. That's why the diagonal elements are always 0. Now we are seeing orthogonal matrices. I told you in the last lecture, A transpose multiplied is identity, then A is an orthogonal matrix, and A transpose A is also an identity, then only. Both sides. You have to prove the both sides. Now, this is another shortcut, is that if you multiply this element with this element with this, and this element with this, row wise, and you add them up, this it becomes 0. Now again, if you multiply column wise, that means this into this, that is A11 into A12, A21, A22, and A31, A32, and add them up in this fashion, you will get a 0 column wise. Now let us go to class 10th. This is your xy plane, that is called the coordinate plane. This is the xy and this is minus xy, minus x minus y and x minus y. In the class 10th you have seen this. I'm introducing a new concept for you, that is iota. Iota is equal to under root of minus 1. I square is equal to minus I. Uh, uh, now I3 is now iota is under root of minus 1. I square, you multiply square both sides. I square is minus 1. You multiply with again with I on both sides, you get a minus 1. Again you multiply with I on both sides, you get plus 1 because of this here. Now in this you will call this the y-axis as the imaginary axis and the x-axis as the real axis, and the points now will be written as x plus iota y minus x plus iota y minus x minus iota y and x minus iota y. If z is a complex denotes the sorry if this denotes the complex, then z is equal to x plus iy, and z bar is the conjugate of z. So z bar is x plus iy. Whatever sign is front of I, you have to change it. Now you see here, there is a plus sign here, just change it to minus in the conjugate. There is a minus sign here, change it to plus. Plus sign, change it to minus. Minus sign, change it to plus. Change the sign before I, and a Hermitian matrix is A star equal to A, and Aij is equal to Aji bar. Now let us understand what is A star. A star, like A star is A, and A star is equal to A transpose, and then you take the conjugate, or you take the conjugate first and you take the transpose later on. Now I have given you an example. Now this is A, you are taking the conjugate. That means this is becoming minus 6i, this is minus 7i, this is becoming plus 7i. I'll tell you why this diagonal elements are all real numbers little later. 3 plus 2i is 3 minus 2i. You can write then this minus 3 minus 2i minus 3 plus 2i minus 7 plus 2i is minus 7 minus 2i. 4i is minus 4i and 2. Now A, you take the transpose of this matrix. Now when you take this becomes A star and this becomes this row becomes a column, this row becomes a column, this row becomes a column. Similarly, if you take the transpose of this matrix, this row will become a column, this row will become a column, this row will become a column. So A transpose conjugate will be, you will take the conjugate of this. This is plus, now this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Now this is 6i plus and this is minus 6i. Whatever sign is in front of I, you just have to change it to minus or opposite to that. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This is a plus here, so minus here. This is minus here, so plus here. This is a minus here before 2i, therefore this is a plus 2i. And then this is same. This matrix is same as this. So whether you take the conjugate first and then take the transpose, or you take the transpose or the conjugate later on, it does not matter. Now, this is our Hermitian matrix as I have been telling you. Let us understand something now. Some two concepts. Z is x plus iy and z bar is x minus iy. I add z plus z bar. What I get, these two get cancelled out, I get 2x. Now let z plus z bar equal to 0. This is I have supposed. So 2x, because this value is 2x, 2x is 0. That means x is always 0. Only imaginary axis is there, that is the y-axis only. Now, if you take the same thing, z plus z1, now you take a minus here. You take a minus here, then this is minus here, x minus xy. You open up the bracket, minus x plus y, then you get 2iy and let this be equal to 0. Then 2iy is 0, so y is 0. And that means only the x-axis, that is only the real numbers. There are no iotas in the with the numbers like this. There are no iotas like this. Like this, you will not get this type of numbers. You will not get this type of numbers. You will not get this type of numbers. This type of numbers you will not get. So now I will see. I will help you. I will tell you how to construct a Hermitian matrix. You have this. A star is equal to A. Aij is A. For the diagonal elements, this is for the diagonal. For I equal to j, I mean this is the diagonal. Because A11, A12, this is the diagonal. Let me rub it completely. Let me rub it completely, the whole thing, so that you people understand it again. Now, see, for the diagonal, for the diagonal, I equal to j because all are A11, A12, A13. Now you put this. Let me rub it. Let me write it from here. So now you have A11, AII, rather I should write AII because I is equal to j is equal to from here AII bar. This will now translate to AII minus AII bar equal to 0. Now this will behave like this. This will behave like this. So in this case, the y component for any Aij is what? Basically behaving like z. It is x plus iy. So for any Aij, the y will always be 0. Only the real part will remain. Part will Real part will remain. That's why you are saying one thing very clearly. That's why in this Hermitian example, this the diagonal elements are all real numbers. See this one, this one, this one. They are all real numbers. There are no imaginary part involved. Now, how to construct? How to construct? Now, see, I told all the diagonal elements will be real. That means if I take A or any other matrix, let me take B. Let me take B. So B will be, you write any real number of your choice, 5, 6, 7. But whatever you write here, that is 3 plus 2i, you write the conjugate because of this rule. Because of this rule. Because of this rule. because of this rule, you write the conjugate of that. Because of this rule, you write the conjugate. This is 3 minus 2i. You write minus 6i here. So you write a conjugate of this 6i. Or let me write 7. Let me change the alphabet at this number. Let me change the number. If I write 7, I will have to write here. Suppose I write minus 3 minus 5i. 5i. Wait. 5i. I write 5i. So minus 5i. So this is, let me rub it completely and let me rewrite it again. 3 minus 3 minus 5i. This will become minus 3 plus 5i. Now you take, so this is how you will write a Hermitian matrix. I hope you have understood this. Now you take, now I'm going to tell you how to write a skew Hermitian matrix in this lecture. Skew Hermitian, Hermitian, skew Hermitian matrix. How to write it? You know A star is equal to minus A, and Aij is minus of Aji bar. Now, if you consider Aij as Z and X plus Iy, then you know what will happen. If I bring this here for diagonal elements, diagonal elements, for diagonal elements, diagonal elements, I equal to j, so this will become aii equal to minus aii bar. Now if I bring it here, this will be aii plus aii bar, which is 0. Now if I use this idea, let me show you what I did. That's why I taught you this one. That's why I taught you this one, z plus z bar. If this becomes only 2x comes out and only the imaginary axis remains, the y-axis only remains, the real axis is always 0. So let's go down understanding this. So here in this case, what I'll get 2x equal to 0. That means x is always 0. That means the imaginary axis, only imaginary numbers, imaginary numbers, wait a minute, only imaginary numbers are present in the principal diagonal, principal diagonal. So how to construct now? Now see how to construct. Now you have A, write a A, put all zeros on the diagonal. Now whatever you write, now I told you one thing, what is the concept? Aij is minus Aji bar. Suppose I write 7i, take the conjugate. What is the conjugate of 7i? 7i's conjugate is minus 7i. Now you do, what you do? Put a minus sign. Use this minus sign, this will also become 7i. Like 3 plus 2i you write here. So you take the conjugate of this, 3 minus 2i. The conjugate of 3 plus 2i is 3 minus 2i. And then what you do is that multiply with a minus sign. Wait a minute. Multiply with a minus sign, minus 2i. So this becomes minus 3 plus 2i. So you have to write minus 3 plus 2i. Take any example here. Take 7 minus 7 plus 5 iota. So the conjugate of this is minus 7 plus 5 iota. The conjugate is minus 7 minus 5 iota. Then you have to multiply with this minus sign. So this will become plus 7 plus 5 iota. This is the way you will create a skew symmetric matrix. Also, you may write another matrix. You can write a skew symmetric matrix like this also. Like this also. Instead of 0, you can write 2i, 5i, or a 0 here, or a 7i, whatever. The rest all you can fill this the way I have filled it. You may write here 3 plus 2i. So 3 plus 2i will become minus 3 plus 2i. Now this is this is 7i, so this will also become 7i. Now this is minus 7 plus 5i. So this will become 7 plus 5i. So this is exactly this way. This is the way we write skew symmetric matrices. With this, I'm stopping the lecture here. We will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.